Union of India respondents. Okay.
I'll move it.
You do one thing, you put this in the file, item 5 and 6.
May I seek your lordship's indulgence in
Yes.
mentioning item number 10 of part 2 hearing list. My senior, Mr. Jordan Rongmingtanga, is out of station. He's attending a matter before the principal bench. So, my lord, I'm seeking an adjournment with a fixed date.
When do you want it?
If the
After
10th of February.
10th of February?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Jordan Romhingthanga, learned counsel for the petitioners, is said to be out of station. And on a mention made on his behalf by Miss
Lelrin Omid Saktswak.
Laurinomi Tsatsuak, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on 10th of February, 2026.
Oblige.
And Miss
Daphne Lalshoitwangi.
Daphne Lalshoitluangi, learned counsel, appears
For respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
on behalf of Mr. J.C. Lalnunsang, a learned counsel, representing respondent numbers 1 and 2. All right.
May I also seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning another item, item number 12, with the same prayer. And my lord, if we may have a fixed date here in this matter also, consent is also taken.
You are for
The
petitioner.
appellant, your petitioner.
Okay, similar order, same date.
Different date. If
Different
it's,
date?
Yes, my lord. 16th or 17th of February.
Okay, similar order, but 17th of February. Next date, okay?
Oblige.
And respondent counsel is not required here. Who appears for respondents here? Government? Okay, you write, instead of Ms. Daphne, you'll write in this case that Ms. Vanessiami, learned government advocate, appears for respondent numbers 1 to 6, and Mr. L.H. Jamshima, learned senior counsel, appears for respondent numbers 7 and 8.
Oblige.
It's okay, Mr. Jamshima? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I seek your lordship indulgence in
Yes.
making a mention of part 2, item 8. Lordship, the matter may be kindly take up on next week.
Next week, on behalf of CGC,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Malhotra?
I have no objection.
Okay.
Next week.
On mention made by Ms. Babylal Dinzoli, learned counsel, on behalf of Mrs. Adam Sankwi, learned CGC, representing respondent numbers 1 and 2, and not objected to by the other side, list the matter in the weekly hearing list commencing from
Second.
2nd February 2026.
I move.
Much obliged.
May it please, Your Honor.
Yes.
Part 2, item number 13.
13.
Yeah. Your Honor, may it be listed for next week
You are appearing for which
for
party?
the appellant,
Okay. What's your good name?
Samuel Remrota.
Why do you want adjournment?
We have been consulting with the other councils, and they were having some hearings this coming week. And
You're consulting other councils and
Yeah,
we have
but-
some hearing this week.
yeah, and
What does it mean?
now, Your Honor, tomorrow we're going to have another hearing also, and on Friday they're going to have some hearing.
All right. Please write, Mr. Samuel Lalrambrata, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that he has some personal difficulties to conduct the case this week and prays that the matter be listed in the coming week. Stop in view of above, list this matter for hearing in the weekly hearing list commencing from 2nd of February 2026.
Oblige.
Yes.
Action, item 1.
If it please your lordship. My lord, by this writ petition, the petitioners are claiming parity with other similarly situated landowners from the same award who have been awarded enhanced compensation by the Honorable Supreme Court. By order dated 1st December 2025 in Civil Appeal number 14486 of 2025. Your lordship, sorry, your lordship.
You have annexed it somewhere, this order of the Supreme Court,
Yes, your lordship, page 122,
page?
122. There's the appellants herein are from the same award, Your Lordship, with the present petitioners. And
No, first thing, what is the award? Award is in respect of,
in respect of land acquired under the Land Acquisition Act for the construction of the railway line, Award 1 of 2012, Part C, Hortuki, Your Lordship.
Award 1 of 2012, Part C,
Part C, Hortuki,
for Toki.
Lordship.
And you are the landowners.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is the location of your land?
The location of our land is in the Hortuki VC area, Lordship. The award itself is at page 33, Your Lordship.
You have received your award already, isn't it? Compensation.
My lord, the brief facts, if I may, Your Lordship, which we have also stated in the synopsis, is that by
Your synopsis is not very brief.
Your Lordship,
It runs into 4 pages.
my lord.
See, there was a saying from the court. I will not mention who said it, but there was a time when there was a synopsis of 5-6 pages.
My lord.
So the court said that, see, Mr. Counsel, your synopsis should be like an appetizer. Don't give us the full course. So it should be very brief, 2-3 paragraphs, so that we can have a fair idea of what the matter is about.
Since
So this helps
because
because there is no time to read 4-5 pages.
my lord.
So you can explain briefly.
Yes, my lord.
Award number 1 of 2012.
Yes, award number 1 of 2012, Part C Hortuki was passed, wherein, Your Lordship, the lands of 592 landowners were acquired. 592.
Yes.
But they were not paid any amount for the compensation for the land. Being aggrieved, 276 landowners out of those 592 had approached the reference court by filing reference application under Section 18 of the LA Act, and which was registered as LA Case 30 of 2014. And the reference court has passed a judgment and award dated 5/2/2015, whereby those reference petitioners were awarded land value at ₹25 per square feet, along with applicable statutory.
What is the
benefits.
reference case?
30 of 2000, LA Case 30 of 2014.
And what is the decision?
Its judgment and award is dated 5/2/2015, whereby they were awarded
₹25.
₹25. And
And you are also amongst the 592 landowners.
my lord. And we were also later awarded also ₹25 per square feet,
Okay.
with the direction of this honorable court. Then, meanwhile, those 276 landowners, Your Lordship, which have filed LA Case 30 of 2014, again approached the principal civil court, claiming enhanced compensation.
Okay.
The review, it was a review petition number 17 of 2019, arising out of LA Case 30 of 2014. The case of the review petitioners was that land acquired in Simui area for the construction of railway line, those landowners were awarded ₹200 per square feet. And also the neighboring landowners at Bairabi, they were awarded ₹60 as well as ₹68 per square feet.
Okay. In short, review petitioners were awarded ₹60.
₹60.
It was enhanced.
Yes, it was enhanced.
Then
And against that order of the review court, the railway, the Northeast Frontier Railway, who are the respondent 1 to 5 here, they filed a RFA number 20 of 2022 before this honorable court.
and
And the coordinator bench of this honorable court passed judgment and passed order dated 3/7/2020, setting aside the order of the review court.
okay.
And being aggrieved, those review petitioners went before the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, by filing SLP number 11693 of 2024. And the appeal was admitted, Your Lordship, and it was registered as civil appeal number 14486 of 2025. And my lord, if you see the order which we earlier seen, the counsel for the respondent, NF Railway, they stated before the honorable court that the enhancement of compensation at rupees 60 and 68 to other landowners has attained finality. So the Supreme Court, seeing the similarity of the land, also awarded those petitioners rupees 68 per square feet.
68.
68. It further enhanced it to from 25 to 68.
No, who has enhanced from
The Sup-
60 to 68?
Supreme Court, Your Lordship. Honorable
60 to 68.
From 25 to 68. Since the 60 was set aside by the High Court, so the Honorable Supreme Court stated that the other people were already awarded 68 rupees.
Who awarded 68?
The Defense Court has awarded 68, which has been upheld by this Honorable Court in the village of Bairabi.
In another case.
In another case.
In another case, a reference court said 68 rupees.
68 rupees,
High Court upheld it,
upheld it,
and Supreme Court also affirmed that.
affirmed that.
So now, in this present case, amount was 60 rupees.
60 by the review court.
The review court.
And the Supreme further enhanced it to 68.
So Supreme Court said that since others have been paid 68, instead of 60 rupees, now you also get 68.
68, Your Lordship.
And today you're here saying that you are also similarly situated.
Yes, my
And
lord.
you should be given the same benefit.
Yes, my lord.
So why didn't you figure amongst these people, 276 landowners?
Because those they have gone to they were from the earlier LA case 30 of 2014. They were from the beginning. They were another set of, even though we were in the same award, they have approached from the defense court. They are under the same judgment. So those 276 from the beginning, they were under LA case 30 of 2014. All of them have filed the review petition 17 of 2019. Then all of them have filed the SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court. So we have been following them actually, Your Lordship. So,
No, what did you do on your part
my lord,
after getting the 25 rupees per square feet?
after getting 25 rupees per square feet, we were also there was delay in paying us. So they paid us before they paid us. The review was already going on, Your Lordship. So since the proceedings, and this appeal is the continuation of the original proceedings.
No, in respect of these 276 landowners,
Yes, my lord.
they have been pursuing their case.
Yes, my lord.
We don't want 25, give us something more. Referral review said, okay, you take 60. Railways preferred appeal was dismissed. Supreme Court said that instead of 60, others are getting 68, you also get 68.
68.
That settles the 276 landowners.
Yes, my lord.
But in your case, what did you do after this award number 1 of 2012?
We have filed a.
You were just watching what is happening around you
Your
and all,
Lordship,
that's all.
I've skipped that part. We have approached the district collector under 28A,
Okay,
claiming parity with those LA case 30 of 2014.
okay,
Then the district collector dismissed us, rejected us.
okay.
We have come to the Supreme Court by filing to the Honorable High Court by filing 3 sets of writ petitions. Writ petition 121 of 2016, writ petition 151 of 2016, writ petition 161 of 2017. All these writ petitions, we are there, Your Lordship. All these writ petitions was allowed by this Honorable Court by directing the district collector to consider our case. So with the direction of this court, the district collector
You were claiming the benefit of,
benefit of the parity with those
no, under section
under 28A of the Land Acquisition Act.
28A.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What does 28A say?
28A says,
It says that although you may not have filed a reference,
correct, Your Lordship.
if others are given the amount and it arises out of the same
Notification.
acquisition, you should be given, irrespective of whether you have filed or not.
Correct, Your Lordship.
Then the High Court sent it back.
Sent it back.
Then you
And-
were awarded.
We were awarded, Your Lordship.
How much were you awarded?
25 rupees.
25 rupees only.
Same, the award of the district collector was on the basis of the judgment of the reference court in LA case 30 of 2014.
Okay, then after getting 25 rupees, what did you do?
After getting 25 rupees, we have approached this honorable court in a different matter, that is for payment of interest under section 28, which we were not given.
Then,
Then during the pendency of this case, those 276 landowners have approached the review court, Your Lordship.
okay, that writ petition is still pending.
That writ petition, the contempt is going on, Your Lordship.
No, you said you approached under 28A.
28A for granting us land value.
And under 28
That 28 is
itself,
for interest on the compensation. Interest.
28 is interest.
28 is interest, Your Lordship.
Let us see. Court Master, would you like to help us? LA Act 1894. No. Not here. In front of you, those are a lot of barracks are there. Is it not available? Land Acquisition Act. You have a copy?
I have only one copy.
Give me your copy. You have already read it. Let me read it. 28 you said.
28 is for the.
One is 28 is interest. 28A is for the enhanced amount.
Yes, parity.
Parity with others.
Yes.
Determination of amount compensation on the basis of award of the court. Okay, then 28. Collector may directly pay interest on excess. Interest on excess compensation. Okay, got it. So, contempt is pending.
Contempt regarding 28 is pending. Your Lordship.
Pending.
Pending.
Okay. Now, in the meantime, you have filed this on the basis of the Supreme Court's direction to pay 68,
Yes, Your Lordship.
saying that you are also similarly situated because it arises of the same award.
Yes, and
Alright.
we have based there are several judgments of the Supreme Court, Your Lordship, which Your Lordship.
Give him
like
back
to-
this. Who's there on the other side? Anything to say?
No, State respondent, we have nothing to say. 6 to 8. Lordship, my senior CGC is on legs.
On Lex, but you are there. What do you say?
Let notice be issued. Lordship, let notice be issued, my lord.
I think you are the right hand of the learned CGC. You know everything now. You've been appearing on behalf of CGC so many times. You should also be one of the CGCs. How many CGCs are here? in
Only
Idaho?
one, my lord.
Only one. You should have one more than one, isn't it? There are so many courtrooms. Sometimes 3 courtrooms like that.
Even in the district courts, she appears.
She goes to the district court also. There's no separate CGC.
The whole of Mizoram.
Why? The Union of India cannot afford more than one council. You should take steps.
Yes, my lord.
If you want help from the court, tell us. We'll also try to persuade them. Third, Mr. Jonathan L. Silo, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioners are praying for a similar benefit that was given to similarly situated persons towards land compensation, computed at the rate of rupees 68 per square feet. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the petitioners and similarly situated other persons were all covered by award number 1 of 2012, open bracket, part C dash Portoki, close bracket, comprising of 592 landowners. Stop. Land was acquired for construction of new railway line from Bairabi to Sairang in the state of Mizoram. Stop. Despite the acquisition, no compensation towards land value was given to the landowners, compelling them to approach the district collector Colosseum by filing a reference application, which was registered as LA case number 3030 of
Not-
2014.
Not the district collector, the district judge.
District judge, not district collector, district judge. Stop. The reference came to be disposed of by judgment and award dated 5/2/2015. And the market value of the land was awarded at the rate of rupees 25 per square feet, along with solatium and interest. Stop. Upon coming to learn about the same, the instant petitioners also filed an application under Section 28, capital A of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894, bracket, LA Act, before the District Collector Colosseum for similar benefit, but their application was rejected. Stop. Aggrieved, the petitioners approached this court by filing 3 writ petitions, which were then disposed of by remanding the matter back to the district collector for considering their case in accordance with law, in terms of the provisions of Section 28, capital A of the LA Act. Numbering so and so, who are similarly situated as the present petitioners, filed review petition number 17 of 2019 before the district judge, seeking enhancement of the land value to rupees 60 per square feet instead of rupees 25 per square feet.
Lordship, I mean, they were seeking not less than 100, but the court decided 60.
Not less than?
100.
Okay. What did I say? Seeking review? To, not instead of 60, right? To an amount not less than rupees 100
Per square feet.
per square feet. Then, how do we continue? Instead of rupees 25. Okay. Stop. The review court thereafter, white order dated 3/7/2020 disposed of the review petition by enhancing the amount to rupees 60 per square feet from rupees 25 per square feet. The review petitioner, still aggrieved, approached the Apex Court by filing SLP.
My Lord, against this order, the railway.
Union of India. Railways.
Union of India, filed the RFA in this court.
It was dismissed.
It was dismissed.
Then,
Then
those review petitioners went to Supreme Court.
RFA,
What did I say? Last line? No, then I think you cancel that line. The review petition is still aggrieved. Instead, you write, after full stop, aggrieved. The railways approached this court by filing RFA. But, however, the same came to be rejected by the.
no, my Lord. The RFA succeeded. By the,
Oh, that's how they landed up in the Supreme Court.
yes, yes.
Okay. Please read again. RFA, after that you cancel, however, and all that. And the appeal of the railways came to be allowed by the High Court. Stop. The landowners aggrieved approached the apex court by filing SLP bracket C number 11693 of 2024, which was then admitted and registered as civil appeal number 14486 of 2025. Stop. The apex court, upon hearing the parties, enhanced the compensation amount to rupees 68, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Per square feet. Since other similarly situated persons had been given the said amount and the same had attained its finality. Stop. Next para. Insofar as the present petitioners are concerned, they also filed Section 28 of the LA Act. What happened to the application? It was allowed
It was allowed and contempt proceedings.
by which order?
I don't have that, Your Lordship. That's since that matter, it's involving 28 only interest. We have not annexed that yet.
Okay, then you don't read that, don't write that paragraph then. Cancel that. The present petitioners thus claim that they being covered by the same land acquisition proceedings initiated by similar notifications and also under the same award, they too are entitled to be paid the market value at the rate of rupees 68 per square feet, along with interest and other statutory benefits under the LA Act. By filing the instant writ petition. Next para. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Then Ms. Baby Laldin Zwali, Learned Counsel, accepts notice on behalf of Ms. Zainam Sampui, Learned CGC, who represents the respondent number
125.
125. Then Ms. Linda L. Fumble, Learned Additional Advocate General, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 6, 7, and 8. Stop. Notice is therefore complete. Petitioners to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels appearing for the respondents today within 2 days, if not already done. List again on. I'll give you a date. 4 weeks will be over by which date?
Your Lordship, since this is a covered matter, I think if they receive instruction, it is the counsel for the railway only who have submitted in the Supreme Court that this matter has attained finality. So, to keep the matter pending when they have already admitted.
17th of February. 4 weeks will be over by then. I don't think so. Today is 27.
24.
23rd, Your Lordship. 23rd,
Okay, list on 23rd.
obliged.
February, 23rd February.
Item 2.
Mr. Mehdi, you are,
My lord, item number 2, my lord.
yes,
The item number 2 is going on, my lord.
it has been called. Please submit. What do you have to submit?
Yes, my lord. We file affidavit, my lord.
My lord, this is a criminal petition filed by the state.
Oh, state.
Yes, my lord.
Then, why is it listed today?
My lord, it's for admission hearing. I think it can be disposed of. The respondents have filed their response, my lord, their
Okay.
objection.
Mr. Mehdi, you are ready?
Yes, my lord.
All right.
This only this from paragraph 6 and paragraph 8 is our submission, my lord. Paragraph 6 and paragraph 8 of our affidavit, my lord.
Okay, I'll hear you, but let me hear the petitioner first.
Yes, my lord.
I just asked you whether you're ready or not, that's all.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Yes,
Ms.
I'm-
Linda, what is your case?
My lord, this petition is filed to get the permission from this honorable court to obtain documents that was submitted by the respondent number 1 while obtaining Aadhaar card under his name. My
Yes,
lord, the
what-
respondent number 1 is Anthony Pauchim Kook, and he is believed to be a resident of Myanmar.
Okay.
And he, on investigation, my lord, it was found that he has obtained Aadhaar card in his name. So,
Is he represented?
yes, my lord.
You are there?
I'm for the respondent, my lord.
Okay. He obtained Aadhaar card
Yes, my lord. As an
Despite
Indian
being-
citizen.
despite being not a citizen of India.
Yes, my lord.
Then what is your case?
So, my lord, to undergo this investigation, my lord, we have to get the documents that was submitted in order to obtain the Aadhaar. And as per the mandate of section 33, clause 1, and 28 of the Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016, we have to obtain the order of the High Court.
High Court.
Yes, madam.
Do you have that, what is this? Do you have that act with you?
Yes, my lord, I have annexed it.
Okay.
It's in page 20. Annexure 3. And
Section 33.
Section 33 and 28.
Who will give that permission?
The a court not inferior to that of the High Court.
No, High Court will give the permission, but who will give the information? From whom
My
are
lord,
you to obtain the
the
information?
respondent number 2.
Who is respondent number 2?
It's a Deputy Director,
UID.
UDAI Regional Office, Guwahati.
What is the full form of UIDAI? So, respondent number one is arrested or what? What is he? What is happening?
There was some investigation going on regarding some other cases, my lord, regarding Arms Act. And
Has he been charged with any offense?
not yet, my lord.
Not yet. Then why do you want that information?
We have found out that he has obtained an Aadhaar card in his name, which is illegal. So we wanted to investigate further on how he obtained the Aadhaar card.
No, what led to the information that he has got a fake, or the Aadhaar card without being
Now, my lord,
resident?
he has some involvement in another criminal case,
What is that?
arms case.
Is it mentioned here?
Yes, my lord, in the brief facts at para 2.
Sairang PS case?
Yes, my lord.
What is the matter in that Sairang PS case?
It's with regard to the Arms Act, my lord, some,
That's correct, but any recovery from him and that, something like that, anything?
that is not mentioned, my lord. This is the only.
He was
information.
discharged in that case, my lord. There were two accused persons. including this President Anthony. The other person is a British citizen, and at the time of consideration of charge, both the accused were discharged. I have the copy of that.
Okay. But didn't you file your affidavit?
Yeah, I filed my affidavit. Since he has raised that thing,
No, is it not a part of, is it not that a part of your affidavit?
No, I have not annexed this one. but
Why?
I am concentrating only with respect to the issuance of Aadhaar card.
No, correct.
Yes.
But for that purpose, that's why we are asking the question also, why do you want all these documents?
Yes.
They say that he's involved in some,
It is a separate
connection.
case.
It's a
Separate
separate case.
registration.
Well, from there, we found out that he has possessed some Aadhaar card as an Indian citizen. So this is another case, my lord.
I know, it's another case, but for you to satisfy the court that you require this information because of this thing, you have mentioned it here.
Correct,
In
my
your cause title at page number 2, it's given here. Sairang PS case number 22 of 2024, Arms Act. So that being the position, Mr. Faghzola's client should have filed an affidavit saying that, what are you talking about? I may have been involved, but I'm discharged.
Yes, my lord. I should have filed this one because subsequent to filing of that affidavit in
What is
opposition.
the date of discharge?
17/2/2025.
25.
Yes.
This application is filed in June.
Yes, correct, my lord.
You already had,
I already received this.
you already had that document with
No,
you.
subsequent to my filing of affidavit in opposition, because I was not a counsel in the trial court. That is why. I got this from the counsel from the trial court. Later on.
No, forget about the counsel, but respondent number 1, he's not aware about what order has been passed in his favor or against him.
He was aware, the counsel was aware, but he was not in possession of this order. It was in the possession of his counsel, that is why.
You should have asked.
Yeah,
that thing.
I should have annexed in this petition also.
No,
I realize
your client should have asked the order. Why does he leave everything to his counsel?
it. Yes, correct, my lord.
You should know if he has been discharged, you should say, where is the order? Let me see.
Yes, my lord.
Anyway,
That is good.
I'll come to you. So, number 2 is the person, is the authority, Deputy Director, UIDAI, represented by Mr. S.K. Mehdi, who will give the information.
Yes, madam.
And under this provision, section 33, you need the quarter of the High Court,
Yes, madam.
permission of the High Court for that.
Permission, yes.
So that is the position. And your main ground is that he's involved in something else, so that's why you want to check out.
Yes, my lord. And
So-
we have mentioned that at para C of my petition at page 6. At para C, my lord, we have mentioned that FIR number 50 of 2024 was registered on 8/10/2024 at Sairang PS under section 336 clause 3, 340 clause 2 and 337 of the BNS 2023 for the purpose of cheating. And I have annexed the FIR, my lord, the copy of the FIR dated 8/10/2024 at Annexure 2. I'll take your lordship to the FIR at page 19.
So respondent number 1 admits he's a refugee.
Yes,
He has been advised by one of his friends from USA to get Aadhaar card, which is required to open a bank account and all that.
yes,
So you admit? Don't you admit?
I'm a refugee. They are saying that I am an illegal immigrant. So if we look at Aadhaar Act, Your Lordship may kindly come to the definition provided under the Aadhaar Act, my lord.
What does it, a definition of?
Resident.
No, you admit you are a refugee.
I admit I'm a refugee.
From-
I'm
coming from?
I'm
Coming
not
from?
an Indian citizen. I'm coming from Burma.
Correct.
Due
So-
to political turmoil and civil unrest,
So,
We have-
can you have an Aadhaar card?
yes, I can have an Aadhaar card subject to the condition that I stay in India for more than 180 days.
Where is that?
That is what the act says.
Is it so, Ms. Linda?
No, my lord.
It's all written in black and white. I'll read this.
Where is that?
Other,
No. You don't read alone. We'll read together.
yes.
What kind of book is that?
This is the Aadhaar Act. The Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016.
Have you
My lord,
given a
it's
list
in
of
the
books?
It's in the annexure 3, my lord. I have annexed it.
Ms.
You have
Linda
annexed it?
says
Yes,
yes.
my lord. Page 20 of my petition.
This is there. Which section?
Section 2, Roman number V. May I read, Manoj?
This is not Roman number V, this is alphabet V,
V.
small alphabet V.
Yes.
Definition of resident.
Definition of resident. Resident means an individual who has resided in India for a period or periods amounting in all to 182 days or more in the 12 months immediately preceding the date of application for enrollment. So, according to our understanding and what has been provided in the Act, this Aadhaar is not only limited to Indian citizens. It is also for foreigners or non-residents who came to India and who resided in India for more than 182 days or more. So I came to India, I came to Mizoram as a refugee. I am not an illegal immigrant. Due to political turmoil and unrest, civil unrest, we have no choice but to come to India for our safety of our life and liberty. And what my learned friend has prayed for before this Honorable Court is that to provide the documents which has been submitted to the UIADI authority. Now, it is for the respondent number 2 to say that these are the documents which has been provided. Now, I have submitted my affidavit, my lord, which I have mentioned one person who has facilitated the issuance of Aadhaar card.
182 days or more in the 12 months immediately preceding the date of application for enrollment. Enrollment means in the Aadhaar.
Yes, my lord.
So that means if you apply today, so you should have already
I should have
resided
resided in India.
in India for 182 days
Yes,
or
my
more
lord. Yes,
during the 12 months preceding today.
yes, my lord.
And you have resided
Yes.
more than 12 months.
I have resided in India
More than 182
180.
days.
Yes. I did not say that I am an Indian citizen. No doubt, I am a citizen of other country. But I came to India as a refugee, which is not prohibited under any international law, my lord. So, this case has been filed by the government for facilitation of their investigation. And without this petition also, they can finalize the investigation, my lord. They have said that I have committed forgery in making this Aadhaar card. Now, in my affidavit also, I have specifically stated that the one who has procured Aadhaar card in my favor is Mr. Robert. And I have also only submitted my biometric information, my lord. So according to us, this petition is meritless because the police hands are not tied to do their investigation fully and fairly and impartially, my lord.
So anyway, let Ms. Mary complete first.
Yes,
Linda.
my lord. If my
Yes.
learned friend is finished, I'd like to continue, my lord.
Yes.
In my petition, I have mentioned that, my lord, he has obtained an Aadhaar as an Indian citizen. There are two Aadhaars, my lord. One as an Indian citizen, and foreigners can also obtain an Aadhaar card.
They can obtain.
Yes, my lord.
What is the,
But,
where is the provision?
my lord, that is subject to the validity of the passport or a visa.
No, but where is that provision that foreigners can apply under this provision and the Indian national can apply under this provision?
My lord, I have not found any provision as such, but that is the information.
But
I
that
have
is your submission. On what
Yes.
basis you are submitting?
There are two Aadhaars. And this is for the Indian citizen, my lord. This act is made for the Indian citizen.
Does the Act provide anywhere that it cannot be given to foreigners or refugees or immigrants? And further, that the Act is only meant for Indian citizens? Ms. Linda, would you like to take instructions?
My lord, yes, with regard to that, let me check it again, my lord. Because the information which I have received is that an Aadhaar can be issued to a foreign national.
Okay, please write. Heard Mrs. Linda L. Fumble, Learned Additional Advocate General, who submits that by filing this criminal petition, the petitioners are seeking permission of the court for disclosure of information leading to the issuance of Aadhaar card to the respondent number 1, who according to the petitioners is an illegal immigrant. Section 33, I said, no? Okay. Stop. Such disclosure of information is permissible only with the direction of the court in terms of Section 33 of the Aadhaar, open bracket, targeted delivery of financial and other subsidies, benefits and services, close bracket, Act, 2016. Stop. She therefore submits that if such permission is granted, it is the respondent number 2 who will be having such information. No, who will be having the information and the basis on which Aadhaar card has been issued to the respondent number 1. Next para. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned CGC, appears for respondent number 2 and submits that affidavit has already been filed by the respondent number 2.
And my lord, so far, my lord, this Aadhaar card in page 18 of the petition itself, my lord, Aadhaar is a proof of identity, not of citizenship, my lord. It's not of citizenship.
All right. Next para. Mr. Sheelal Faxwala, Learned Counsel for respondent number 1, submits that such an investigation is being contemplated on a ground of certain allegation made against the petitioner, against the respondent number 1. Under the relevant provisions of the Arms Act and the IPC.
It would now
In
be
connection,
DNS, my lord.
in connection with Sairang Police Station case number 22 of 2024, dated 19/6/2024. He submits that, in fact, the respondent number 1 has already been discharged by the court on
17/2/2025.
17/2/2025. And therefore, the very reason for requiring such an information does not exist as on date. He submits that the respondent number 1 clearly admits that he is a refugee in view of the turmoil in Myanmar, and that he is not an illegal immigrant. He further submits that I gave you that act, na? Instead, out there, after the full name of the act, you put in within bracket, Act of 2016, close bracket, no? Then now you write, he further submits that in terms of section 2 bracket small v of the Act of 2016, a resident means an individual who has resided in India for a period or periods amounting in all to 182 days or more in the 12 months immediately preceding the date of application for enrollment in Aadhaar. The respondent number 1 clearly fulfills the condition prescribed, and therefore there is no bar for him to apply for an Aadhaar card. He therefore submits that the writ petition is without any merit and therefore should be dismissed. Next paragraph, Ms. Linda L. Fumble, learned Additional Advocate General, submits that Aadhaar can be submits that the issuance of Aadhaar. No, please rewrite again. Ms. Linda L. Fumble, learned Additional Advocate General, submits that there are 2 types of Aadhaar card which can be issued. One is for a citizen of India and the other for a non-resident.
Non-resident.
In the instant case, the petitioner and the respondent number 1 applied for Aadhaar card and was given one against his claim. No. Please read that again. In the present case, the respondent number 1 secured Aadhaar card, which is meant for a Indian citizen, and therefore the petitioners are required to be given permission to verify the basis on which the respondent number 1 has made such a claim and secured the Aadhaar card. Stop. The learned additional advocate general, upon being asked as to what is the precise provision which provides for issuance of two types of Aadhaar card, one for the Indian citizen and the other for a non-resident. One for a non-citizen. Stop. To this query, the learned additional AG submits that she may be given some time to obtain instructions in the matter. Considering the same, let the matter be listed again. When?
Next week, my lord.
Is it not possible this week?
You can try on Thursday, my lord. Thursday, my lord.
Yes, I have no objection, my lord, but if Mr. Mehdi has difficulty or not, I don't know.
Mr. Mehdi, we'll have it on Thursday again.
Thursday, Friday, my lord, Friday.
Friday.
Because Thursday I'll be in Dimapur, my lord. Some hearing is there. Is the first item, my lord, for Friday, my lord? 33-0.
Okay, list again on Friday. Give the date.
Obliged.
Item 3.
Friday.
My lord, I am for the all respondent. I received a full instruction on 23/1/2026, my lord. If I may grant that 2 weeks time for filing my affidavit, by way of affidavit.
Now, what will you do? You'll send it for vetting again.
Yes, I'll send to
2 weeks is possible to go and come again.
My lord, they may have authority at Aizawl to the All India Radio.
You have received the instructions.
Yes, my lord.
What is the instruction, by the way?
They stated that the petitioner do not have a PAN card. In the meantime, the process for payment is online. Bavis Gya one day. However, since he has no a PAN card, they seek a permission to make as a manual. After manual has been approved, they send all the related document to the pay office, Kolkata. Then we already submit all the necessary document to them. Then we are awaiting from them. In the meantime, paying authority is not a party in this case, my lord.
Who is that?
Kolkata payment. Pay and account office, Kolkata.
Pay and account office of which department?
Under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.
So, Miss, you have heard, you may like to implead them also as a party.
Yeah, I'll inform.
Think about it. Ms. Zainam Sankui, Lanet CGC, appearing for the respondent number.
All the respondent, my lord.
Appearing for all the respondents, submits that she has received instructions and would like to bring the same on record by way of an affidavit. We'll stop as paid for list again. After 2 weeks, give a date. One, two. On 10th. 10th?
Yes, my lord.
You file it before 10th, okay? List on 10th of February 2026.
Obliged.
One more line. The petitioner may also consider impleading the pay and accounts officer. Given the full address. Pay and accounts officer.
Government of India, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Pay and Account Office, All India Radio, Akashvani, Bhavan, Kolkata, 700001.
Could you get it? Please repeat again
Yes,
slowly.
my lord. Government of India, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Pay and Account Office, All India Radio, Akashvani Bhavan, Kolkata, 700001.
But what is the name of designation of the authority? You said Government of India straight away.
The head office. They send letter to head office.
Addressing whom? Some authority. Some designation has to be there.
Pay and account officer, pension section,
Ah,
All India Radio.
correct,
Akash-
correct. Pay and accounts officer, pension section. Okay.
Eden Garden, Kolkata 1.
You got some more address also.
The All India Radio I also sent to them. The pay and account officer, pension section, All India Radio, Akashvani Bhavan, Eden Garden, Kolkata 1.
Could you give it in writing?
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
piece of paper. Just write it down and give it to them. And you also just consider that if you have to implement them, you file appropriate application.
Item
Yes,
4.
next.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm seeking another 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit in.
You are
affidavit in
for all the
opposition.
respondents.
Sole respondent, Your Lordship. 1 to 3.
Okay. Mr. C. Zaram Chana, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners is present. So Ms. Vanessiami, learned government advocate, appearing for all the respondents, seek for further 3 weeks' time to receive instructions and to file counter affidavit. Praise aloud. List again on 16th of February.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Your Lordship, according this matter, on the last order of 14/10/2025, the necessary steps should be taken by land government advocate. However,
May it please Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state government and Your Lordship, if I may be granted at least another 3 weeks' time to furnish the pairwise comments and file the affidavit in opposition. Your Lordship, respondent number 1 to 4.
Any private respondent?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, as paid for by Ms. Lalun Lui, learned government advocate. Further, how much time?
Your Lordship, if 3 weeks' time
3
may be
weeks time
granted.
is granted for filing counter affidavit. Praise the Lord. List again on 16/2.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Orders, item 6.
May it please, my lords. I appear through the VC. Am I audible to my lords?
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, if I may, before we proceed, I believe that this case has to be
it has to be defended by the Special Public Prosecutor for NCB, Your Lordship. This
Who is
case
that?
is overtaken by the NCB.
Who's
And
that?
the state
Mr.
is-
Zoramsan is there.
Actually, they did not make as a party, Your Lordship. Here, only the state government is making as a party.
Oh, is it so? This is the second time.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship,
my
this
lords.
is the second
Earlier
time.
they were a party or not? NCB.
No,
Yes, my
Your
lords. They were a party. They were made respondents, my lords. Mr. C. Zoramchana
Yes.
was a special PP had appeared.
Yes, yes.
If my lord directs, we can serve a copy to the learned special PP, and his name.
No, my lord, in the court's title, they were stating only the state of Mizoram represented by the public prosecutor.
If my lord permits, we may serve a copy upon the learned PP, and my lord may reflect the learned PP's name in the cause list.
No, you have to file an application for amendment of the cause title. Then
Very
only we
well,
can allow and then ask you to resubmit submit the amended cause title. Then once
Very
that
well,
is
my lord,
done,
then I'll file an appropriate IR to that effect, my lord.
okay. At the outset, Ms. Vanesyami, learned additional public prosecutor, submits that the Narcotics Control Bureau, represented by Narcotics Control Bureau is to be made a party respondent and not the state. In view of the fact that the case is a matter dealt by the Narcotics Bureau, who have their own special public prosecutor. To substantiate her submission, she refers to the earlier order passed by this court on 27/9/2024 in bail application number 59 of 2024. To this submission, Mr. What is your good name?
A. Borua, my lords.
Sorry?
A. Borua.
Mr. A. Barua, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner through RVC, submits that he may be given some time to file appropriate application for amendment of the cause title. Prayers aloud.
Obliged.
Then, when will you file? List again on so-and-so.
My lord, on the 9th of February.
List again on 9th of February.
I'm so obliged, my lords.
Item 7 and 8.
May seek a lordship indulgence. Lordship, although it's a fixed item, the leading counsel, he has some personal difficulties, so if the matter can be taken up on Thursday, if possible.
Who is the leading counsel?
Mr. Rosang Zualaralte,
He appears for
respondent number 5.
5. And who is respondent number 5?
Private respondent, Lordship.
Private.
Yes, my lord.
What is this matter? IAS also there? Respondent number 5, you said.
Yes, my lord.
5. Cesar Zoliana. Okay. Who has filed the IA?
It's the petitioners.
Petitions are filed. And even the WPC also.
Yes.
WPC is for what?
It's for setting aside and for declaring the eviction order as null and void.
Eviction suit. But you filed writ petition against that.
Yes.
How is that? Is there no other remedy apart from writ petition?
Your Lordship, this is one of the remedies which have been made available by the order of the Apex Court
Against order passed in eviction suit?
against order passed in a suit or in any proceeding which has been the order of which has been obtained by fraud.
By fraud.
By fraud, yes.
So eviction has been obtained by fraud.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Anyway, okay, then what is this IA then?
IA is, in the meantime, the executing court had passed an order for demolition of the buildings. There are some type buildings which have been constructed within the suit land. So for stay of the proceeding of the demolition.
Demolition on of the building which belongs to you,
Yes, yes,
pending disposal of the writ petition.
yes.
All right, please write. Heard Mr. Sheila Ramzawal, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Stephen Lal Buatsaya, for the petitioners, public applicants, who submits that aggrieved with the order dated 26/2/2020, passed by the Learned Senior Civil Judge Aizol in eviction suit number 4 of 2019, along with consequential order dated 30/10/2025 in execution case number 52 of 2020. Which also arises out of eviction suit number 4 of 2019. The petitioners have filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop the Learned Senior Counsel submits that the instant writ petition is maintainable in view of the fact that the eviction order has been obtained by the private respondent by fraud, F-R-A-U-D, fraud. Stop. The Learned Senior Counsel also submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the direction has been issued for dismantling of the building belonging to the petitioners, and for which the petitioners have filed the connected interlocutory application, that is IAC number 227 of 2025, seeking stay of the demolition. Next para. Although the matter has been listed as a fixed item today, Ms.
Laropari.
Lal Ropari, Learned Counsel, submits that the conducting counsel for respondent number 5, Mr. Osangzwal Aralte, has some personal difficulties to appear before the court today, and she therefore prays adjournment on her behalf. So when do we have it? Consensus?
Tomorrow, Thursday, Your Lordship, if possible.
Tomorrow, if possible, Thursday. Thursday may be convenient.
Okay.
Tomorrow usually is the DB day.
As prayed for. As agreed to, that the matter be listed on Thursday. Give the date as 29th.
Obliged.
In the meantime, Your Lordship, the stay may continue.
All right. In the IA, you write the list again on Thursday, give the date, along with the main writ petition. Stop interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Item 9.
My lord, as per the last court's order, we have filed the amended cause title.
Amended cause title in which? In the paper book?
In the appeal, in
In the main appeal, my lord.
Main appeal. But the paper book is already ready, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Have you amended the cost title in the paper book?
I believe we have submitted, my lord.
You have only submitted.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Lianshima.
My Lord, it has been done so far as my knowledge is concerned. I'm for respondent number 1. The appellant died and he was substituted by his wife, and therefore amended cost title is required.
Okay, what is the name of the wife, appellant?
Lal Rikuma Sairao.
Lal Rikuma. And wife?
Mga Iswali Sairao.
When the paper book, still remains the same. There's no change.
Ah, yes.
Now, you have filed the amended cost title.
Yes,
Have you
my
filed?
lord.
When did you file?
My lord, I'm not sure, but it's recorded in the court's notice.
Have you received the copy, Mr. Lianshima? Amended cost title?
I'm not very sure whether my junior has received or not. Maybe we have not received so far.
Let's come. This appears to be the amended cost title. Okay. Where's the old one? And secondly, if it's amended, why is it not written that this amended cost title like that? There's no indication. No, this is like the original only. Correct? There's a miscase somewhere. Huh? There must be a miscase, see? For substitution. How did you seek the amendment? By filing application?
Yes, my lord. My lord, it was mentioned in the last court, in the order, in the last court's order, dated 24/11/2025.
Dated?
24/11/2025.
Miss Ruth Lal Rothwell had appeared, Mr. Lianshima. He had appeared on 25/9/2025. And along with her, government advocate was there. Mr. Malhotra was there. Then who was the government advocate? Oh, Lal Louis was there. In the IA for amendment of the cost title because of the death. So there was no objection, court allowed.
Right, my lord.
So in terms of the permission, they have filed the amended cost title.
Right.
But the amended cost title does not appear in the paper book. It appears in the memo of appeal only. So when hearing is conducted, we will be referring to the memo of appeal mainly.
Right, my lord.
So I think we have to direct the registry to incorporate the amended cost title in the paper book also. So all of you can submit your paper book to the registry.
My lord.
They will insert it and give it back to you all.
My lord.
Please write down.
And my lord,
Huh?
an affidavit in respect of personal service upon respondent 5 is filed on 7/4/2025.
Respondent number 5.
Yes, my lord.
Anyone appearing for respondent number 5?
None appeared, my lord.
Arlal Ompuya, correct?
Yes, my lord.
This is by Dasti.
Yes, true, Dusty.
Okay, please write. Parties are represented by the respective councils, except for respondent number 5. So, the original appellant, Sri Lal Rikhu Masailo, is said to have expired. During the pendency of the appeal, and therefore an application seeking his substitution by his wife was filed through IAC number 42 of 2025, and the same was allowed by this court. White order dated 25/9/2025. So although the appellants appellant has filed the amended cost title, but the same has been tagged along with the memorandum of appeal and not in the paper book prepared by the registry. Stop. Therefore, the learned counsels for the parties shall submit their respective paper book before the registry, and the registry shall incorporate the amended cost title showing the name of Srimati Magaizwali Silo, wife of Sri Lal Rikhu Masailo, late, to be the substitute. When can you submit your paper book? Today?
Not today, my lord. This week, within this week. Maybe tomorrow or the day after also we can do it. Today
Tomorrow?
we have not brought.
Tomorrow?
The paper book is, tomorrow we can do that.
Okay. the learned counsels for the parties to submit their respective paperwork within 2 days from today, and registry shall do the needful within a week thereafter. Next para. As permitted by this court, the appellant has also served notice to respondent number 5 by way of Dasti. And not by way of Dasti, and a copy of the notice has been received by, what is the name of the respondent number 5?
Arlel Umpuya.
The respondent has been received by the respondent number 5. There is no date. Respondent number 5, as it appears on 26/8/2025. No, this is 26/3, not 8. 26/3/2025. Upon, no, 26/3/2025, which was witnessed by two advocates. Who are these? Lalram Engmoi and Fabi Lalrin Nungi? They are the counsel for the appellant.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Which was witnessed by two advocates, and who are in fact the counsels for the appellant. Stop. Upon perusal of the affidavit, notice is accepted to be complete on respondent number 5. List the matter again. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks?
2 weeks. We'll list it on the hearing column now, no?
Yes, my lord.
Why it has come on? This is in the order stage, no? Otherwise today,
Yes, my lord.
because of that only. Is there any urgency, Mr. Lianshima? Anyone?
I don't think there is any
Okay.
urgency.
List, what do you say?
After 2 weeks, my
2
lord.
weeks. List the matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 10.
Just a minute, I'll just come back. 5 minutes?
My lord. respondent number 5 died, and application for substitution was filed, and the same was allowed by this honorable court. Thereafter, no notice was served upon the respondent number 5, the newly impleaded party, Mr. Samuel Lalro Lua, who is the son of the deceased respondent number 5, my lord.
Which item is this? Item 10?
Item 10, my lord.
But this IA is for
IA
condonation.
is for condonation of delay, my lord.
Notice is not gone.
Not gone yet.
To whom?
To the respondent number 5. In fact, it was earlier issued, but he died. So respondent number 5 died, and that is why it was required to file application for substitution of the said respondent.
Then you have substituted.
Yes.
You
it
have
was-
substituted the respondent number 5
Yes, my lord.
by legal heir.
Yes, my lord.
Who is that?
Mr. Samuel Lua, son of the deceased respondent number
Okay.
5.
So notice has not gone to him.
Not yet, my lord.
What about 6?
6 gone, and acknowledged card also returned, served.
Anyone appearing for 6? No, no one.
No.
Not yet.
In fact, respondent number 6 does not have any interest. in the
Government is
present
1 to
case.
4.
1 to 4.
5 notice has to go, 6 is a pro forma respondent.
My lord.
Otherwise, you have served notice, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Any note like that from the registry about service of notice?
I have not checked.
Who died? Number 5.
Number 5, my lord. C. Lal
When?
Kamlova.
When?
Uh, Yes, my lord.
He died after filing of appeal.
Yes, my lord. But we didn't know that.
Then when did he die in your application?
Yes, my lord.
Please give me the correspondence file.
11/4/2025.
He died on 11/4.
Yes, 11/4.
11/4.
11/4. Yes, my lord.
11/4/2025.
Yes, my lord.
What is his name?
Lal Kamlova.
Correct. (11/4).
Yes, my lord.
He died on 11/4.
Yes, my lord. That certificate was also furnished, submitted along with the application, my lord.
If he died on 11/4, interestingly, somebody has signed on
Yes, on his behalf.
29/4.
That confused the court also.
Who signed it?
It was not known.
That person don't sign. ID
Yes, my
cards.
lord. That was obtained by the postman. It was sent through the registered post. We have nothing to do with it. So postman seems to have obtained signatures from any one receiving the said post.
And there's an overwriting also in the date.
That we don't know.
It can be, it is overwritten as 29,
My lord.
29-4. It could have been 24-4 or 21-4, we don't know. Anyway, you have made the substitution now,
Yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes, my lord.
So will issue notice.
Yes, my lord.
Because court has already recorded notice is served.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
please write, during the pendency of the application and the appeal, the respondent number 5 expired on 11/4/2025, and for which reason the applicant, appellant filed an application for substitution which was allowed. First of the respondent number 5 is now Sri Samuel Lal Rotlua, son of Lal Kamlawa, late. And it is seen that notice has not been issued to him yet. Stop accordingly, let notice be issued to respondent number 5. Applicant to take steps for service of notice by speed post within 3 days. Stop. Ms. Panesyami, learned government advocate, appears for respondent numbers 1 to 4. But however, no one appears for respondent number 6 despite notice. Stop. Mr. Lian Frima, L.H. Lian Frima, learned senior counsel, submits that respondent number 6 is basically a pro forma respondent. List again on 23rd February. Is it too far?
It's okay, my lord. Obliged.
Item number 11.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
Now, this application has been filed praying for extension of time in order to comply with the judgment and order dated 17/3/2023, my lord. Passed in WPC number 128 of 2019, my lord.
Where is the order? You have not annexed the order.
Yes, my lord. The matter is being handled by Miss Mary, and appearing she has not annexed the order, my lord. The matter is coming up for the first time, my lord. In fact.
You'll have to annex it.
Yes, my lord. Will do, my lord.
By filing this application, the applicant seeks extension of time for compliance of the judgment and order dated 17/3/2023, passed in WPC number 128 of 2019. Stop. However, the said judgment and order is not annexed to the application. Mr. Samuel Banshi Changpe, learned additional advocate general, appearing for the applicants to produce the judgment and order by the next date. When